Cosmos Hub doesn't support issuing tokens on top of the blockchain. However, Asteroid Protocol gives people a clever way to do it with CFT-20 tokens. These tokens use Asteroid inscriptions to let you launch tokens, track balances, enable transfers, and more. So, let's look into how you can create one. Once you're connected to Asteroid Protocol with a funded wallet, then locate the Create menu and select Token. Choose a token logo to inscribe alongside your CFT-20. Give your token a name and a ticker. For example, Asteroid Protocol is the token name and Roids is the ticker. Set your token's maximum supply, then choose the limit of tokens users will receive each time they mint your token. You can choose to launch your token immediately, or you can launch at a specific date and time in the future. Note, when your token is deployed on Asteroid Protocol, it cannot be altered in the future. Once you've named your token, given it a ticker, set the max supply, determined your per transaction mint limits, and finalized your launch time, then you're ready to deploy. Select Create Token, then sign and approve the transactions in your wallet. Your token is now deployed with its unique ID. Now that your token is deployed, you'll receive a dedicated mint page that can be shared for users to access. To locate your token on Asteroid Protocol, simply navigate to Portfolio to find a list of all assets in your wallet. You'll notice tabs including tokens, collections, inscriptions, and deployed. Go to Deployed to see all tokens deployed by your connected wallet. You can also navigate to Tokens from the main menu and search for your token by name, ticker, token price, and others. This is how to create a CFT-20 inscription on Asteroid Protocol.